Yes, hello family, like Mogara Blomia, Mogata all risk takers only. Um, this is one of a new platform coming out. Me taking risk Blomi one time, man. I will not force you guys, like, awesome. It's up to you. But me invest also one name, leme, awesome. Me documenting Jenny Blomi, this crypto world, so. We go over to my account today. Me la working on the withdrawal this la platform where me invest one time stuff. The platform is called Maho Yuan, one of the Chinese platform. Me go invest la stuff, so you may go check him balance Lumina. Yeah, this is my account. From the screen record, you can see total assets Blumi 128.39 USDT. Quantitative accounts USDT Blumi 67 USDT or 67 US dollars. Na profit assets $61.39, and that one $61.39. I mean, like in today by me withdraw. So how low this la using this la platform motion recharge and normal one kind of narrow platform you miss a recharge. You select recharge, selecting network view. Mine for myself, Mr. using BP20. You select them. Okay, you can copy the link. You go to Binance or one wallet view. You salim amas amount you taking risk quantum coming said. Now you start. The minimum at least you take start with at least $20 and up, something like that. As you grow, now you can back more money view. Okay, profit you can restake number of thousand, reinvest on that platform again to try and get more out of what you earned. So make more profit on it. So it's up to yourself. And Lumium this how operating a platform motion. And one like Polkadot or by staking where you just put in soul and you just thinking and stuff now withdraw soul for this one, and every day you must go in and you look in this underneath the home button, quantify stuff there. And every day you must go quantify. You go up now, you select now. So for myself, one me quantify pennies for today and mixing today sending $11.39, which made up $1. Not upload commission blooming stuff where we withdraw today, but time to quantify and you can reach the page, select quantify underneath them power battery sign. Kalau la fingerprint sign style, you select in time. Do me today's quantitative task and we quantify already, so I'll come back tomorrow and talk. So we waiting la count time 12 hours stop yet. 12 hours finish no kami click na kami mixin narap la commission do me bro. Tomorrow na. Yeah, and start count about start again. There different levels where you subscribe to lo. Start with $15, but you can start with $15 at least number $15 or $20 and VIP one nearby Kisime or some plan. VIP two I'm almost $67 and above. $67 and above and VIP two. Okay, $267 and above and VIP three. Kind of same. Yes, you know, listening thing, you make a referral program, side lo this la quantify and referral, invite friends and stuff. So, you can go lab, okay, copy link, Blimian, more you and this la link, now you share on your friends, you invite them, so you must have only for those who are willing to take the risk. I'm not going to share man. You will complain, nothing. You know what the profit, you will find a man to blame him. It's like I know that it's. I'm still angry at all platform and we show him kind of same. True man invest, maybe I make a profit in the Russian style and now by me working withdraw for this today withdrawal by me making for proof. I'm kind of layer drops and come to time them and go. You in the right time and you pick up. Make it a profit view and then have some more money view. You come in the wrong time and you see me. But this one item now me talk, I'm not saturated yet. And latest one come out lem and me also me in and me put in money lem na. Today you will come the withdrawal na you can look in na. You agree na ila join link in the description of the video. You can go na download na sign up na got app blend too. From the home page you can see on the home page you see download app stuff. You can download an app blend inside lab app. You will not find it on Google Play. You can so a private bot site the one on man way. All thinking on the big platforms we are connecting companies and all trading bots globally. For this one, I'm me stepping on them more yuan. I'm this low amount there. $61.39. My profit assets start today when we withdrawing. So yeah, you may make on the withdrawal blend now today. So you select him on type service install home page. Do you assembly? Can you select me and last option at bottom right. Select me now you can use the page. Okay, on this page now you select withdrawal. Okay, you select withdrawal now I'm make this page here. On this page now, I'm by me enter payment method blaming withdrawal address withdrawal amount this like I know less so minimum withdrawal this platform $2 maximum blame to $1,000. You may try and work on the withdrawal today. So me go to Binance first and copy Binance deposit address below me. Me kisi kam me put you go inside this withdrawal address section of the platform. Now okay. How to copy Binance address? And if you know how I'm by looking through this example me now the video. And Binance account me currently. Okay, me selecting assets. Sorry, assets from home page me start and me selecting deposit. If you don't look in deposit, the shortcuts is like tabs style I'm on shortcuts. I'm start deposit style. Looking you can see me triple button and you're gonna see more options. You find him deposit lab. Deposit option and make him shortcut pin start. So you select the deposit layer along page. I'm selecting USDT. Okay, chain network blooming BP20 and select the first one. Okay, link and copy man. No, okay, but me cut go back in the platform. Me go inside. Me stay inside the platform now, but me withdrawing $61.39 and I may look in. So we paste the withdrawal address here first time. Withdrawal address for Binance Bloom here and paste in. Okay, amount me la rose $61.39 ogara $61.39. Okay, security password as usual this la path so go security password but me cut him out. Okay family, as you can see ogara sante me entarim finish amount me entarim so network me select BP20 USDT. Okay, amount me entarim $61.39. Address blue lo Binance USDT BP22 me copy na kam put in finish. Okay, password blue me enter in finish. So now I'm giving me pressing confirm together na looking withdrawal blue me lo Mao yuan am successful na gonche lo Binance blue me or no gat me no na katin sila video pa me larim so that me looking sa timing I'm taking from Mao yuan and gonche lo Binance account blue me. So you may press him confirm together na you may wait na looking notification lo Binance ka mo no gat. Okay, withdrawal success lo Mao yuan. So you may stand and looking Binance Lumi one time notification back. How long will it take? Now I'm 10:35 on the screen records. 10:35, yeah, 10:35 start na Binance message coming. Binance, yeah, sorry. I'm Binance 61.39 now, so you may withdraw when sell Binance processing stuff. So launch the new platform and withdrawal me show you I'm successful and for me I'm taking risk claim and me looking me rushing the $61 now combining more past time more and la deposit successful Binance confirm this $61.39 email come. So I'm also confirm that this platform Mao Yuan is working for me now. So me making video na me show him that usen all naraplal wako asking dol you got naraplal platform start show him okay, and that's naraplal platform where me making video, me taking risk na me making video proof blame na you at looking me you la take a risk I'm still land you me no forcing you I'm still land you 1-1 like you program. Yes, balance now low profit asset been stop $61.39 and reduce around it. Okay, but me stop so now waiting this la 12 hour timer le 23 yellow reset go down and go 00 can no some one blood 12 hours tired 12 hours finish every 24 hours you must scan fingerprint button style you must clicking for myself me clicking finish and to come back tomorrow every you invest much lemon every time you can click him I must pay out rate you setting lemon by you kisi me so for myself I'm kind of saying me invest on the $67 stop me invest for the VIP 2 VIP 1 and $15 VIP 2 $67 me take a risk me one time lemon no me withdrawing on the $61 go so I'm got one of my referral blame to me to finish referral stuff important you were making big money time you sharing referral link blue not all friends and family sign up you also anytime by Pixi commission all to making money I'm like you but me no talk this is something I'm no kind of something but stuff forever na continue na stuff and me drop time lem me come na go trading bot and run lem time I'm mo connecting lem AI run there so this la happen come you said lucky man you come in the right time and you pull up himself you na iba go like you plan honest thank you lo watching the video blumina let me flow and tell me to finish Mao Yuan one kind of some trading platform blumi but every day you must select in 25 every after 25 hours na you look your fingerprint sign and you must touch him this lana but prove him present speed time by working on withdrawal view you must quantify na stuff once you quantify finish na but you rushing money from the stake up leme kang golo commission wallet you can withdraw now golo Binance like I did mine now this like confirmation to Binance stuff thank you straight lo watch na you know gold man sa pore na wari and don't man to take a risk lo me let me show him you know like no can make him this is I'm documenting my cryptocurrency journey. So how me go learn and me like him all viewers blow lo what's him in me pundo me kirapo me succeed or me fail or someone and learn me like so documenting lo YouTube na me make him come so you should you like give a try link style the description style and blue yet just don't look for someone to blame if anything goes wrong. The risk is in your hands. Like you play one I play na much love and stay blessed kids.